Welcome back to the 1% Better podcast, the space where we explore small yet powerful shifts in education and leadership. I'm your host, Disha, and today we are tackling a question that's been buzzing in every staff room: AI in teaching, scary or evolution? Will AI replace teachers, or is it the evolution we need to make learning richer, more engaging, and easier for educators? Today, we'll break down the fears, the facts, and the future of AI in classrooms. To do that, I have with me Dr. Anupama, School Principal DPS Lava Nagpur, who has seen firsthand how AI is transforming teaching and learning. We are also diving into how schools like theirs have integrated AI powered tools to enhance teaching efficiency. Welcome, Dr. Anupama.
Thanks, Disha. AI in teaching, this is a topic where I've seen two reactions. Some teachers say, what if AI takes over? And others say, finally, a tool that saves us time and makes learning more dynamic.
Right. It's like walking into a room where half the teachers are imagining a robot teacher invasion, while the other half are already making AI their teaching assistant.
Exactly. And honestly, AI isn't about replacing teachers, it's about enhancing what they do best.
So let's get into it. There's so much hype around AI in classrooms. But what's actually working? How have you seen AI make a real difference for teachers?
One of the biggest wins that has been AI powered tool. Teachers at school with training from equanimity learning have been using it to generate structured class presentation slides in minutes, and they are not spending hours manually creating them.
That's huge, Dr. Anupama. I remember spending so much time creating PPTs when I was a teacher. If I had a tool like this back then, it would have saved me so much time. But AI can help teachers free up time and focus on more engaging classroom discussions.
Exactly. And another game changer is AI generator songs and activity based learning tools. Imagine you're teaching a science lesson, and instead of just explaining concepts, AI helps you to create a song or an interactive story around it. Students would love it, and retention improves significantly.
That's brilliant. Kids already learn so much through music and storytelling. And if AI can personalize learning materials like this, it's a game changer.
And there's, another exciting AI-powered research and note-taking tool designed to enhance students' academic experiences. Teachers and students can use it to one, generate concise summaries of their uploaded documents, making studying more efficient. Engage in interactive question and answer. Students can ask questions about their materials and get insightful answers. The third is convert written content into a podcast. It could be like audio summaries, so students can listen to their study material on the go. They can do it anytime, anywhere that they want to.
That's amazing. So instead of just reading long notes, students can interact with their study material in a way that suits them, whether it's quick summaries, asking AI questions, or even listening to their notes like a podcast.
Exactly. And schools that embrace this early are giving their students a huge advantage in independent learning.
Great. Now let's tackle the fear factor, ma'am. What's the biggest misconception you have heard from teachers about AI?
The biggest one, AI will take our jobs. But once teachers actually start using it, they realize AI isn't replacing them, it's reducing their workload. It's handling repetitive tasks so that they can focus on what really matters, connecting with students, personalizing learning, and fostering critical thinking.
That's such an important mindset shift. AI can generate notes, but it can't replace a teacher's ability to motivate, inspire, or mentor students.
Exactly. And once teachers see AI as a support system, they will start embracing it instead of fearing it.
For school leaders and teachers listening right now, can you please suggest how can they start using AI today in a simple yet effective way?
Here are three ways that I can right now think of. The first one is use AI for class presentation. You can generate these presentations in minutes. The second one I would say is leverage AI powered study aids. Like I had already mentioned, that audio overviews, they can help students learn anytime, anywhere. You can also generate videos. Third is encourage interactive learning. AI powered question and answer tools. This makes revision engaging and personalized.
I love how all these solutions are teacher first. They empower educators rather than overwhelming them with tech. So, looking ahead, where do you see AI in classrooms in the next 3 to 5 years?
AI will, personalize education like never before. Schools that integrate it now will be ahead of the curve, and teachers who learn to use AI effectively will have a huge advantage in creating engaging and modern classrooms.
Great. Like you said, the key is to start now before it becomes a necessity rather than a choice. All right, ma'am. Time for quick fire round. No overthinking, just the first thing that comes to your mind. So, are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Great. AI in teaching, superpower or co-pilot?
Copilot,
One AI tool every teacher should try today.
ChatGPT,
What's one thing AI should never do in education?
replace teachers,
What excites you most about AI in teaching?
personalized learning,
Lovely. What's the best way for schools to prepare teachers for AI adoption?
hands on training and workshops.
Great. If AI were a student in your school, what kind of learner would it be? Topper, backbencher, or the one asking a million questions?
The one asking a million questions.
If you could name an AI assistant for your teachers, what would you call it?
EduBot,
Would you rather have AI that grades papers or AI that handles parent emails?
AI that handles parent emails,
If AI could solve one major challenge in schools, what should it be?
bridging learning gaps.
Awesome. That was amazing, ma'am. Thanks for playing along. That's it for today's episode. AI in teaching isn't about replacing educators, it's about empowering them. A big thanks to Dr. Anupama for sharing these insights. To all educators and school leaders, are you ready to explore AI powered teaching tools in your school? Drop us a message, share your thoughts, and let's continue this conversation. If you found this episode valuable, share it with a fellow educator and let's make teaching smarter, not harder. See you next time on the One Person Better podcast.